Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to get free hosting on WordPress. So first you need to go to pantheon.io, and in here click get started at the upper right corner. Then sign up now by entering the following details or information like first name, last name, company name, work email, and others. Then check the two check box at the bottom and click sign up. And in here, add some details to finish your registration. And then you can create now a new site. So click create a site. And then click WordPress as a CMS or custom template. And that's it. That's how to get free hosting on WordPress. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.